I show Speed Game. I don't know if the music is copyrighted, so I'm gonna just turn it down. You can hear it faintly, so I hope I don't get copyrighted. Actually, you know, I'm gonna turn it down all the way because I don't want to die of copyright. Okay, got Ben. Of course. Got Ben. I just jumped on Ben's head. We're zooming to Ben Obby. So now we jump over to the dog bus. Oh, it moves! Ew! Nah. Hey, Ben, shit, I could be talking skeleton noob. Oh yeah, my avatar is the noob, is the skeleton of a noob who been camped for so long. Why did you take the remote? I literally had it on. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually the noob of a skeleton who been camped in Piggy for so long. He didn't brush his teeth. He lost his pack stabber. 2016. I should probably read the questions. 2 months. 16. I didn't even read the questions. I'm stupid. Oh, okay. Beans. We got break brains. So yeah, we're gonna jump over it. Of course.
What type of roleplay was this?
So let's just go. I saw Speed chasing me!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get away, Speed, get away, 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 get away. He murdered me. No, I'm sad. I'm moving to different location. Because someone is being annoying. Another location. Yeah. Okay, I'm back with a new location. Alright, let's go. Usher Speed was chasing me, which is scary. Every time he appears from nowhere. Where's the place I'm supposed to go to? Where? Where's the place? Where's the place I'm supposed to go? What am I supposed to do here? Of course, it's in this vent. Because every time you get chased, after you get chased in like a maze, basically, you have to go inside some type of vent and not die. I hate split paths. I was going red for nothing. That was legal. Wait, hold up. Was that? Is there another part to this? No. That was glowing red for nothing, and I hate that that was. I thought it was like a hole. I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm blind anyways. This is horrible. This game is horrible. Oh, okay, I'm going the wrong way. So I think should go this way. And then, oh, now you want me to give me hints. You stupid. I swear. This, like, leads to, like, the talking bed killing me. I'm gonna be so angry. It's gonna be a dead end. No? It's gonna be a dead end. Oh, what is this? Why are there just tennis balls? What is this supposed to... Oh, it's because, like, dogs like chasing tennis balls. I was like, what is this? Please. My heart... Okay, please, not another chase. My heart actually can't handle another chase. I died. Also, why does everyone keep using that one model that guy made for his YouTuber video? Oh, you're supposed to jump over those, huh? I thought you had to choose the correct path. No, you just have to jump over this. I am so stupid. I'm a little rickety-roo. Hey, it's the other way, bozo. You figured that out. I was like, oh. God, no. No. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Comment. Comment who lives in a pineapple under the sea next to Patrick and Cindy. No, Squidward. Stupid. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Comment down below or else I will eat your whole family. And comment talking Ben eats baked beans. Ben baked beans. Comment Ben baked beans and comment who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Alright. Be pretty cool. And if I find that no one commented on this video, I will be sad because you guys are really no. And I'm getting really mad at this obby. Also, I haven't seen Ben do anything for this entire obby. The only time I've seen him is him sitting in his little stupid chair. How am I supposed to jump over that? I think these two are like brothers or friends because they're like keep like waiting for each other. He was like waiting for him for like 2 minutes now. Ew. Ew. Okay, I had to do that because. Okay, so no, please. Oh God, Speed. No, don't come here. Hey, you better go. Hey! What the frick? Alright, God, man. I can't even enjoy my life. For people who are wondering what I was saying, I said I can't even enjoy my life. God, here comes Speed. Here comes Usher Speed. 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 Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. He's still coming. Stop. Oh, he did this. The minute I go, it appears like it was waiting for me to go. He's gone. Really, this time. Yo, mama. What? What is what I said? I'm like, huh? Oh. Dude, I want to see Ben do something. Nope. I knew it was going to do his thing. Ben just hasn't done anything. Like, please, I shall Speed, do something. I mean, Ben, do something. It's like, what are you doing with your life? Oh, you can't even move. You just have to sit here and agony. Oh, TikTok. You have a TikTok too. Hack stabber. Do backstabber, do backstabber, ba. Isn't this like a cat toy? Dog toy. Make me mad. I'm singing because when I'm mad, I usually take it out in the form of a song. I hate love. Okay. I didn't notice, but Ben was there. Ew. That thing's mouth is actually disgusting. Okay, after we get digested, it's better just go like every time. And I'm not gonna be like one of those YouTubers who don't wanna say what happens after we get digested. You just get it's not like get diarrhea. I think Ben might have diarrhea. God, look, there are teeth inside of his stomach. I guess this is the anatomy of these creatures that are always in the top game to eat you. eaten too, and they're like the size of a building. Like last time we saw Ben, he was like he was like short. He was like the size of his chair. Now he's like the size of a building. Because like this is something, and they were like, oh, we did call this the Show Speed and Ben Obby, so you know we have to add something with Ben. So you know they're like, oh, okay, let's just have him with like the one thing everyone knows Obby. And they're like, what? Getting eaten, of course. Silly. Like, oh yeah, let's just have him eat the player. And then they don't even like show a cutscene of how Ben just looks like this. You know, at least there's a SpongeBob. The Creep-Bob is Obby, I played. And yes, I spell the words wrong. I spell the words incorrectly as a joke. I know some of you might be knowing. I bet some of y'all are like, bro, you stupid. I don't even watch your videos. Or bro, are you stupid? I know that. There are some people who, oh no, we're getting turned out. Oh no, fuck me, some of my mouth. Yeah. Oh god. Dodge these little things. Okay, we're at the end. We just got pooped out by talking Ben. Although we don't even see Ben. Like, we just like spawn there. We're at the end of the lobby. Hate yourself. I'll make my hands yellow. Cool. Make some of my head yellow. This lobby was pretty good. Oh yeah, if you want to see the front of my face, let me show you.